on target. Fire.
In the race for air superiority, China's Dragon has awakened, stealthy, silent, and deadly. Advanced twin-engine power, designed for supercruise and lethal dominance in the modern theater. Built for the shadows, optimized for the kill, the 5th generation has arrived. Breaking the barriers of physics, it commands the sky with unrivaled velocity. Data-driven lethality. It sees the enemy long before it is seen. Behind the stealth is a masterpiece of precision engineering, where advanced robotics bring a legend to life. Every component is tested to the limit, a heart built to withstand the pressures of supersonic combat. From a blueprint to a predator, the mighty dragon is ready for its domain. Every legend begins with a core of titanium, built to withstand the crushing forces of 9G maneuvers. Kilometers of fiber optics form the nervous system, transmitting data at the speed of thought. Advanced composites provide the strength of steel at a fraction of the weight, turning physics into an advantage. Precision hydraulics, built to absorb the impact of a high-speed landing on any terrain. The digital brain comes online, a fusion of radar, infrared, and electronic warfare sensors into a single lethal picture. Safety at the edge of space, the pilot's final lifeline, engineered to deploy in a fraction of a heartbeat. The silent hunter's eye, passive sensors that see through the dark without ever revealing their own location. digital heart begins to beat, systems integrated, intelligence awakened. The spearhead of modern warfare, a digital eye capable of tracking hundreds of targets simultaneously across the horizon. Thermal management is the key to invisibility, masking the heat of a dragon to stay hidden from the hunter's infrared. The power of the dragon is seated, twin engines built for thrust vectoring dominance and relentless speed. Fine-tuning the aerodynamics, ensuring the Predator responds to the pilot's slightest touch with absolute precision. Static testing complete. The beast is alive, breathing fire and straining for the open sky. Stopping power is as vital as thrust, engineered to bring 20 tons of momentum to a standstill in seconds. Balance is the soul of agility, every gram accounted for before the dragon takes its first breath of altitude. Escaping the gravity of the Earth, the dragon claims its throne in the high atmosphere. Hidden teeth for a silent bite, it strikes without ever breaking its shadow. The creation is complete. From the factory floor to the edge of space, the dragon now rules the night.